Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram. Today we are cooking Vietnamese chicken curry, also known as cà ri gà. This dish is flavorful, aromatic, and comforting. It is delicious and easy to make, so y'all, let's get right to cooking. We'll start by cleaning and washing our chicken off stream. And then we'll prepare our aromatics by mincing 1 large shallot, 4 cloves of garlic, and we'll also need 1/4 cup of finely minced lemongrass. Ours was store-bought. Next, peel and chop a carrot into large chunks. Do the same with 1 sweet potato or taro. Wash and peel baby red potatoes. And chop a 1/4 yellow onion and slice a couple of pieces of ginger and set these aside. Now, let's get to cooking. So heat up 5 tablespoons of oil in a large stock of pot and add in your aromatics consisting of minced garlic, shallot, and lemongrass. Saute this until it smells good and then add in your dry ingredients, which consists of the following on the screen. This will give our cà ri gà its signature yellow color and warm, comforting flavor. Then go in with 1/2 cup of fish sauce and 3 to 4 bay leaves and stir this until everything is well incorporated. And friends, this is where the magic starts to happen, and you'll begin to smell the aromas of Vietnam wafting from your kitchen. Bring the curry sauce to a boil and then add in the chicken wings and toss them around to make sure everything is well coated, and then add in the yellow onions. Once the onion becomes translucent, pour in 8 cups of chicken stock along with 1/4 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Bring this to a boil and add in your carrots and slices of ginger and put the lid on and let it cook for 20 minutes. Now lower your heat and add in the red potatoes, sweet potatoes, quail egg, and a 1/2 cup of coconut cream. Let everything simmer together on low heat for another 20 minutes with the lid on until they're nice and tender. The flavors will meld together, creating a rich and creamy texture that just perfect for serving over rice or noodles. And the best part is it's incredibly versatile. You can serve it with rice, noodles, or even a soup with French bread. And finally, the curry is ready to be served. Garnish this with chopped green onions and Thai basil, along with warm French bread. And friends, here is the final product, Vietnamese chicken curry. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and be sure to check out our other cooking videos. And let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.